Welcome back. So in this video we're gonna simply just show the item price and then we will go towards the item color. We will show that. So let's go ahead and start working on that. So below this size box, as you guys can see in here, you will have padding, write it and comma and take this down. So in here, as you guys know, we will do some padding. As usual, we will go with the dot only. You will just set the left because it's going to be right on the left side the item price. So in here just set the left 2.0 and then we'll take the children and in there we'll take the center widget, so it's going to be right in center. Then just take this down and let's take the child in here. Now text widget in there. What we will do right inside the string. Okay guys, remember that first. So right inside those strings, backslash, there we go, and then with the dollar sign in here right after, again dollar sign, and then bracket, curly bracket in here as you guys can see. Then we say widget dot item price is gonna get that the item price. So right after that let's do some style for that. As usual in here, text style. Now take this down from here. What we will do, we will just add the font size. We're gonna make it a little just big. Let's go with a 24 would be good, and let's give the letter spacing to this specific item price. So in here we'll say 2.0, and then also let's make it Babas. So we have to add the font family in here string, and then we say Babas, and comma, as you guys can see in here. Now simply we will remove those yellow lines so the code will be clean. So that padding widget and all of their work right in here for the item price. Now we will just go down and have another padding, but before that we will create some height before creating the other padding. So in here we will say size box and we will give the height 10, write it and comma, take this down. Now let's take the padding widget in here, write it and comma and take this down. Let's do padding as usual. As you guys know, as in sect we will go with the dot only. We will set the left 15.0 and also we will set the right to just same 15.0. Right after that let's take this child and gonna take the row widget in here because it's gonna be right in a row. You guys will notice it whenever we will just test the app and you guys will see the output. So in here first we will set the property man axis alignment. We will just set it right between man axis alignment space between, there we go. Okay, now right after that in here take the children and take this down again in the row widget in here comma and take this row widget down, the brushes. So in here children, take this down, let's give the icon for the item color. So in here we'll say icon and in there icons dot brush, we'll go with the brush. There we go with the suggestion and you can choose whatever you want right in here, but I'll go with this one, write it and comma. And now again in here padding, for now just remove that, we will edit in a while, add it and comma and tag this brush down. Now right inside that, what we will do, as you guys know, padding as usual as insect, we will go with a dot only, and we will just set the left, okay, to 10.0. and right after that, let's take the child and align widget in here. Now we will just get right in there the item color. So in here first we'll say alignment, we will go with the dot top left, okay, and right after that, now take the child and text widget in here. So we'll say widget dot item color. That is fine, okay. So there's the icon, as you guys can see, for the item color, and in here we are just getting that the item color. So now we will just remove those yellow line, as you guys can see, just to clean the code. So all of the working for the item color in this padding has been done, and also this padding was for the item price. So now we will just go ahead and hot reload the app, and we will just check the output. So come here and just hot reload the app. Open any of the posts, and boom, there we go, with the item price $2,000, and there we go with the icon, and there we go with the color silver and purple, and you guys can see that in here. Now what I'll do in here, right at the item price, we enter the dollar sign with that, okay. If you guys just don't add the dollar sign right at the uploading post time, then there will be that dollar sign, as you guys can see right in here. We'd add it, okay. That's why in here you guys can see that extra one with it. For example, if we go back now and upload another post, go towards the upload screen in here, I'll go with another post so that you guys can get the idea, okay. Now we will just upload that watch, okay. First image gonna be that one, scroll down, second, third, fourth, and the last one, the fifth, gonna be that one. Click next in here, as you guys can see the item price. So right at this time, I'm just talking about the old post, so I just entered before $2,000 with a dollar sign. So if you guys just didn't add the dollar sign and go with the price like that, $3,000, there is no sign of dollar sign, okay. And item price, item name gonna be just Rolex hand watch. Item color is black, and description can be anything. Rolex watch for $3,000, all just fine. Now just come here and click upon this upload. Please wait. There we go, data added successfully, and you guys can see that new post by Peter, okay, Rolex hand watch. Now what I'll do, just go towards that post, double click on the icon image, there we go, and you guys can see that in here the dollar sign. Okay, so we didn't add the dollar sign right at the uploading time. Okay, when I entered the price 3000, with that there was no dollar sign. So in here you guys can see the dollar sign because in here we just add that. Okay, so like that, that's the working. And if you go back right towards that post, that old one, okay, that one and that one, in here we just add the dollar sign right at the uploading time. So that's why in here you guys can see that double dollar sign. So I hope you can get the idea now, and it's working totally fine, and the color is black for this watch. Now basically that's it for this video. Right on the next video we will work further, so see ya then.